Hello guys, and welcome to another video. So it's been very long ever since I uploaded my last video, and I'm very sorry about that. I have been a little busy, so I don't have much time to upload YouTube videos. But I think from this week upward, or from next week upward, I should continue with our series. And I just want to point out that I'm going to create a GitHub repository to uh, where I'll put the entire project. So whenever I upload any new video about this tutorial, I'll put it in the GitHub repo, and then I'll just give you guys link to download it. And also, I might not code everything on screen. Some of the tutorials will be pre-coded before the video, and then of course you can also check everything out on GitHub. So what I'm really saying is that anytime you see a YouTube notification on my channel, it can be some other video. So I'll be uploading videos about Android for other things too, instead of just working on this specific or this particular project. So I'll be doing other things while doing, so I'll just mesh work with both of them side by side. So I'm very sorry. I'm so sorry guys. I know it's been very long. I'm supposed to be consistent with my video uploads, but don't you worry, I am going to fix that. I'm going to fix that pretty soon. I even added the section for the image upload, whereby the user uploads an image, it gets uploaded, and then the text gets replaced with the image. And this is the encryption, which I've not finished yet. And you can see the project is been very long since I opened this project, and I just did it now, and it's giving me lots and lots of errors. So no such hole. This is because my internet, I didn't sync it when my internet connection was on. I'm sure that is why it is giving me this error. But this video is basically just to give you a heads up on what's coming. So I guess I'll see you guys later, and thanks for watching this tutorial. So expect next video from me, maybe in a day or two. Just expect some videos. So thanks guys for watching, and I will see you next time.